Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can back up Stardew Valley on your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm using my Stardew Valley wiki for this since it'll be easier for you guys. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to, if you're on Windows, then you want to press on Windows and R. I will show you by pressing Windows and R. This will open, and here you want to copy this app data slash Stardew Valley slash saves and just keep it here and browse. Since okay, you want to click on OK. Since I don't have Stardew Valley on my PC, this will not open anything, but if you do have Stardew Valley, then it will automatically open your Stardew Valley's folder in your PC. And after you've copied your folder, then what I want you to do is you want to find your saved files and zip the entire folders that looks like this, and you want to share or back up that zip file on your PC. You want to keep it somewhere, or you want to keep it on your desktop in a separate folder. So this is how you can save a backup of Stardew Valley in your PC, by just making a copy of the folder and pasting it in your desktop in a safe place. If your progress is lost somewhere, then you can take back your progress as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's Millie signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.